Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video I'll show you how to completely uninstall WPS Office in Windows 11 so you can remove it along with all leftover files from your computer. Now let's get started. Step 1. First close or exit WPS Office if it is currently open to prevent errors during removal. You can right-click the app on the taskbar or system tray and choose Exit. Step 2. Click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen to access Windows Search and Settings. Step 3. Type Control Panel in the search box to locate the classic Windows Settings area. Control Panel contains advanced options for managing programs and system features. Step 4. Click on Control Panel from the search results to open it. Make sure the view is set so you can see all options clearly. This window allows you to manage installed software on your PC. Step 5. Click on Programs and Features, which shows every program installed on your computer. Step 6. Scroll down and select WPS Office from the list of installed programs. Clicking it highlights the program you want to remove. Make sure you choose the correct app to avoid uninstalling something else. Step 7. Click on the Uninstall or Change button at the top to start the removal wizard. Step 8. Click Yes on the permission pop-up to allow changes to your device. This confirmation is required by Windows Security. Without it, the uninstall process cannot continue. Step 9. Choose a reason for uninstalling and click Uninstall to proceed. Step 10. Select the option to delete all files related to WPS Office to ensure nothing is left behind. This includes save settings and extra components. Step 11. Click Clear to remove leftover files that remain after the main uninstall. These files can take up space or cause issues if left on the system. Clearing them keeps your PC clean. Step 12. Wait for the uninstallation process to finish, which may take a few moments. Do not close the window while it is working. Once done, WPS Office will be fully removed. Step 13. Close the control panel after everything is completed. This confirms the process is finished and you can return to your desktop. Your computer is now free from WPS Office. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful guides.